Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Dreams Creativity. First of all, I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers for all the likes and comments. And today it's weekend here, so we are going to few temples. So the first temple that we are going to is Sri Ganesha temple. It's in a place called Papakura. It's just a 10 minutes drive from our house, so we're going there first. Then second, we are going to a Chinese Buddhist temple. It's also a beautiful temple. And third, we are going to a Sri Krishna temple. It's in a place called Kumyu. So this is our plan for today, and I have my husband here. Say hi, Nishan. Hello, how are you doing?
Good.
Okay, my mom is there. Say hi, mommy.
Hi.
And my son is there just behind. He's there. He cannot say hi.
Mummy,
Say hi. Hi. No, he's busy. So that's the plan for today, and we'll take you along. Hi. Hello. Look at you.
Big day. Doing big day. Big day. Big day.
Dylan.
Big day.
They have Anna Prasadam here every Saturdays. So after a long time we've come here to this temple, and we just had our lunch also. And you can see a lot of people having, just having a seat there and just sitting, having a chat. It's not allowed to shoot inside the temple, so I didn't do that. I don't want to break the rules. And now we're heading off to the next destination. That's a Chinese temple. By the way, this temple here is the Sri Ganesha temple. They just celebrated their 20th year anniversary. So it was built like 20 years ago. It's nice and beautiful inside. It's really huge, and it's got big sculptures and all. Sadly, I cannot shoot. And that's the front side of the temple. And here there's a car park. And this is something that you can hardly find in New Zealand. That's a banana tree. Because it's very windy, so the leaves does not stay intact. See, you can see the state of the leaves, how it is. But there are still bananas there, little small ones. I don't know if it's visible. See? Yeah. So this Sri Ganesha temple here in Papakura, most of the South Indians who live in and around Auckland come to this temple basically. So when you come to this temple, you can see a lot of people who are from Andhra, from Chennai, from Karnataka, and also from Kerala. Most of them come here. There are a few North Indians also who come here, but predominantly it's basically South Indians. Hey! No. That's a restricted area. You cannot go there. So happy. Hey, Dylan. Last 2 weekends we could not do any vlogs, or we could not go for a drive in the weekends because it was really raining and the weather was really bad, because it's peak of winter. But today it looks really sunny, so we are going to, after going to 2 other temples, we are also planning to go to another beach. It's a beautiful beach. It's called Muriwai Beach. I hope it doesn't rain. It looks sunny now. We'll see how it goes. Sadly, you can find name boards like that. The car is named as Ganesh. The name board is Ganesh. Nice.
To paradise.
To paradise also is written. Oh, I can't read that. Ganesh to paradise. Awesome. We are here at the Chinese Buddhist temple. You can see it's really nice, and this is actually called Fo Guang Shan temple, and it's the largest Buddhist temple here in New Zealand. Don't you have a wish?
Do you want me to try something?
Yeah, like a wish. I know what he's going to Yeah.
For 6 long years, Siddhartha endured every form of ascetic practices until he finally realized that the middle path was the answer. Cultivation was like playing the musical stream. The stream was static, released 2 times, following any sound released 2 times.
All of their wishes.
Alone, he confronted the torture's assailants from Mara's evil.
You know, guys, when I came in like 3-4 years back, I came to know that you can take these little post-its and make a wish, and it seems it comes true, and your wishes are fulfilled. So what I did was, the first time I came, it was like 4-5 years back. I just took many 5-6 post-its, and I had a lot of wishes. I just kept on writing and writing and writing, and I just started posting. My husband on the other side, he was just standing and watching me, and I just asked him, "Aren't you writing anything? Don't you have any wish?" And he just took one post-it and he wrote, "Let everybody, whoever has posted this, let all their dreams come true." That was the only post-it he had, and he just pasted it. Yeah, but that was back then. But now I'm all grown up. Yeah, my connection to God is like direct. No post-its are required. Yeah, you have really, if you just read, you have like, there are people written so many cute wishes here. Like, I hope my mommy has a baby girl. I want a little sister or something like that. So nice. It's nice to read. I don't feel like leaving at all. It's so beautiful, colorful. It's vibrant. My God. This is something that I am looking for also. I wish to finally find my purpose in life. Yeah, so cute. I wish I could be famous. And here, see, I saw my son's names, Sunny, Dylan, and Ryan. It was good. Cute. So guys, this is the Chinese Buddhist temple here in Auckland, and this is the largest Buddhist temple here in New Zealand, and it's actually called Fo Guang Shang Buddhist Temple. See how nice it looks. It's beautiful. It's not allowed to take video inside the temple, so I didn't take it. And there's a huge Buddhist statue. It's so nice. It's a huge Buddhist temple, and yeah, it's very nice. It's very peaceful actually. That's the Lumbini Garden. Yeah, there's a small Lumbini garden here, so you can see. Lumbini Garden is a place where Lord Buddha was born, and every little thing here that they have kept, that the flower and all the sculptures, everything has a meaning, and it represents something that is related to Lord Buddha. Yeah, see, look at him. Now we are heading off to our next destination. That's our Sri Krishna temple. That's in Kumyu. It's a little bit far, so I'm just taking my turn to be the driver for a while at least. Yeah, we'll be there probably. How long will it take, Nishan? Maybe
20 minutes.
20 minutes? Okay, we'll see. In 20 minutes we'll be there. Yay! How long I'm going to drive, because this guy sitting next to me here is saying fast, 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 slow, 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 brake, brake, brake. No, it's like too much. I think we'll end up in a fight. So probably after the next destination I am not going to drive over to the driver. I'm better off being the navigator. I can't take this pressure. It's too much. temple. It's almost like 2 o'clock or so, so there's not many people here. But the temple is open throughout the day up until 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. And they sing bhajans throughout. See, you can hear that there's bhajans happening. They keep singing Hare Krishna song, and during some Krishna festivals and all, it's crowded with people. There are a lot of devotees who keeps coming, and it's like crowded. This is how it looks like. Wow. It's a memorial garden. So nice. I've come to this temple so many times, but I've not come here. Oh wow, how beautiful it is. They've maintained it nicely also. I think because it's winter, there's not many flowers. During the spring season, it will be full of flowers. Sure. Wow. Those are alpacas there, but it's not very clear. Look at that. We are on our way to the fourth temple for today, that is Bharatiya Mandir. It's in a place called Balmoral. We had some plans to go to a beach and all, but it's 5 o'clock already and it's very, very cold, and I don't think my son will be able to endure this cold wind. So we'll just go to another temple and then we're going straight back home. It was too much of him bragging, so I let him do the driving and I'll sit here. I could not tolerate it. It was too much, unbearable. Don't do that. Don't do this. Gear, straight, left, right. Slow, slow, fast. What is this?
Google Assistant male version.
If I'm sitting in the driving seat, let me drive. Don't keep giving instructions. That's called backseat driving.
सुकुमारी जो मुनि कर्दम के प्रिय नारी आदि देव प्रभु दीन दयाला जठर धरे जय कपिल कुपाला सांख्य शास्त्र जिन प्रकट बखान तर्क विचार
Just here at the Bharatiya Mandir, and we had a lot of bhajans, so it was very nice. A lot of people here. Yeah, I had some prasadam. This is some grapes, and then we are heading back home. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog, and we are heading home now. It's like a half-an-hour drive, and it was a great day, and it was a very well spent Saturday. I feel so blessed. We went to almost 4 different temples and then it was just great. We just want to go home, have some rest. It's almost 6 o'clock or something, but then it's almost 6 o'clock, but then we are not at all tired. We feel so refreshed. You know, that's the beauty of going to temples. You feel, you know, there's some grace. Yeah. So say bye, Nishan.
I'm driving.
Sorry to disturb. Mommy, bye. Bye bye. Bye. See you. Thank you for watching my vlog, guys. Catch you up in my next vlog. Stay tuned.